What?
Your teeth.
E.
It's so cute. What happened? It's so cute. Oh, wow, I like your headband. It's color pink, like a bear with a flower and a strawberry. Wow. Can I borrow it so the teacher can wear it as well? Oh, you have this. The bracelet. Who'll buy that for you?
My mom.
Oh, your mom. Wow, I really, really like it. Wait, since I don't have a headband, let me have
Uh,
this one.
Say
Okay, wait. Oh,
shark.
oh,
Eh,
I'm a
No,
rabbit.
shark.
Shark? You want
Shark.
me the shark?
Shark.
Oh,
Shark. Yes.
okay. I will be using the shark, okay?
Okay.
All right. So how are you today, baby?
Oink oink.
Oink. Oh, you want me the oink oink? The pig?
No.
Okay, wait. Let me find this one.
Yes.
I'm a pig. Oink 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 oink.
Grrr.
Ah,
Grrr.
what is this? Oh, a deer. We
Deer.
all have a
Bear.
bear.
Bear. I'm bear.
Okay, let me have the bear as well. Oh, we are like the same. Wow. Oh, we're so cute. Oh, let's take a
Wait for
picture.
me.
Wait. Oh, you have
Wait
another
for
one?
Wait.
Okay,
Yes.
okay, okay. Oh, oh, what's that? A unicorn? No, it's not a unicorn. What is that? It's like a Christmas tree.
Christmas tree.
Oh, who bought that for you? Your mom?
A teacher.
Oh, which
I
one do you
have
want to
two.
use? Oh, I didn't
Two.
have like that. Oh, I actually have, but it's not right here.
I have two.
Wow, can I borrow the other one? Thank you. All right, so how are you today, baby?
Teacher.
Oh,
Teacher.
yeah?
Teacher. Like em having bear hay là
Let's take a picture, baby.
what?
Let's take a picture.
Bear or I have a tree. Tree or bear?
Uh, the bear. So that we're the same. Okay, I will be using as well the bear. So we're the same right now. Do you want it? All right, so how are you today, Baungok?
Good.
Okay, and did you eat already for dinner?
No. No.
Oh no, not yet. So what is your dinner for tonight?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know. All right, so now, baby, are you ready to start with our class?
Yes.
Okay, so teacher is going to share the screen and please wait for me, okay?
Okay. You are the bear.
Yes, we are like a bear. Okay, so can you see the screen already?
Yes.
Okay, so now tonight we're going to have the page 27. So we have here in units 3 and 4, you will watch a video about colors, learn that colors are everywhere, read about colors and how to mix them, write about colors and pictures, make a color mix chart. So we got here the big question too. Where can we see a color? So first we are going to watch a video. So let's have a look with this one.
Big question.
Oh, All right, so now we got here. Look at the picture. What do you see? So now, baby, what are these color? What colors do you see in the picture?
Color brown. Color blue.
Uh-huh.
Col- color
Okay, what else?
brown. Color purple.
Uh-huh.
Color red. Color yellow. Color orange.
Oh,
Color purple. Color color black.
all
Color
right.
white. Color
Okay, so
green.
we have the color red, orange, yellow, green, purple, brown, and brown, black, and white.
White.
Now, where
White.
can you see the color blue? Okay, where can you see a color blue?
Sky and
Sky and?
lake.
All right, how about color red?
Red is
Where is color red? Or where can you see the color red? Oh, let's have a game, baby Bongok, okay? I
game.
Oh, yes, we're going to play a game. Teacher is
Oh.
going to tell you that I see a little spy.
Teacher,
Bring me
teacher,
something. Yes,
teacher.
baby.
Do do not do not take the bear. I not see your mouth.
All right. Okay, how about this one? But you told me lately that I will be wearing the bear, so that's why I wore the bear.
No,
You
no,
told me
no.
lately. Okay, I will be removing the bear.
Oh, no, 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 no.
All right. Okay, let's play a game, okay? It's not a game actually, it's a message. All right. So, I see a little spy. Bring me something yellow. So, when I say so, please bring something yellow. Okay, can you bring me something yellow, baby? Hello?
Lemon.
Oh, bring me something yellow. You need to bring and show to teacher. Oh, a pencil. Is that a pencil? How about I spy with my little eyes? Bring me something. Bring me color green.
Green.
All right, very good, Bangak. Okay, so now think and answer the question. How many colors or how many color words do you know?
Wish for my teacher.
Okay.
I done teacher.
All right. So now, baby, how many color word do you know?
Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, white, black, brown, gray.
All right. So how many? Did you count it?
Red, orange,
Okay, can you count it?
red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, black, white,
Uh-huh. So how many in all?
brown, gray.
All right. Okay. So how many? 11?
Yes.
Okay, so next. Think and answer the question. Can you see two things in the classroom that share or that are the same? Oh, let's not have that one yet. Let's have this instead. So we have the unit 3. Get ready, lesson, and point the words. Lesson again, then say the words. So teacher is, oh, where are you? All right, so teacher is going to play another audio, and I want you to listen carefully, okay?
Okay, teacher.
Page 28, Unit 3. Get ready. Words. A. Listen and point to the words. Listen again and say the words. Yellow, red, blue, green, purple, black, brown, white, yellow, red, blue, green, purple, black, brown, white.
All right, so we got here yellow, red, blue, green, purple, black, brown, and white. And your favorite color is the purple. Okay, next. So now look. Okay, as you can see,
Grapes.
look, read, and check the correct picture, okay?
I like fruit, grapes, and I like color purple.
Oh, you also like color purple. Okay, so
Yeah.
baby, what you're going to do is you need to look, read, and check the correct picture, okay? So as you can see, we
Okay.
have colors right here. And also there are labels below the colors. So we have the red, yellow, and blue. So for example, this is the red, yellow, and blue. That's why we need to put a check on it. So now, baby Bangok, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Yay, go! Okay, you can start with number 2.
Okay.
Okay. All
Green,
right.
yellow,
Black,
purple.
white, and green.
Brown, yellow, blue, red, and green.
Uh-huh.
I'm done.
All right. So now in the number 2, we have here black, white, and green. How about in number 3? What do we have? In number 3, we have the green, yellow, and
Green,
yellow.
yellow, purple.
All right, and purple. How about number 4?
Brown, yellow, and blue.
Okay, how about number 6? Number 5.
Blue, red, and green.
All right, blue, red, and green. How about number 6?
Green, white, and brown.
Oh, how about oh, we're done. Okay, so now let's proceed with the exercise letter C. So we have here, before you read, what colors can you see around you? Okay, so baby, What colors can you see around you?
Oh, sorry, teacher.
Oh, it's okay, baby. It's okay. No problem. So, what color can you see around you? Okay, what color can you see around you?
What?
What color? Okay, look around, baby. Look around. Look around your room. And tell me what color can you see around you?
Um,
So, for example, wait. So, for example, teacher right here. Oh, no, not yet. So, right here, we have the color blue, the color red, the orange, the brown, the yellow, the green. So, how about you? What color can you see in your room?
white,
Uh-huh.
gray, blue, green,
Uh-huh.
purple.
Oh,
Oh,
you have a
no.
lot of colors.
No,
Oh,
purple.
no.
Blue,
Uh-huh.
white,
Okay.
brown, purple,
Mm-hmm. So we have a lot of
yellow,
colors.
yellow.
All right. Oh, you have a lot. Oh, all right. That's great, baby. So now, okay, so learn predicting from tiles. Before you read, look at the title of the text. It can help you work out what the text is all about. Look at the titles. What do you think the texts are about? Now read and check your answer. Okay, so now can you please read number one?
Jake Blue Rooms. This
Okay,
is Jake, and this is his bedroom.
okay,
It is big, blue, and
mm-hmm,
blue. Their bed is with a blue blanket. There are a lot of toys.
all right.
They blue too. They blue too.
Okay, so now Jake's blue room. Okay, we have here the Jake's blue room. So it's big and blue. There's a bed with a blue blanket. There are a lot of toys. They are also blue. So what is the color of Jake's room?
Blue.
All right, blue. What is the color of the bedroom?
Mine.
The bedroom of Jake. It's also
This. It is
blue.
big and blue.
All right. So now, please read the story about number two, the hamster family.
The hamster family.
Mm-hmm.
Harry hamster lived with his family. His mother is white. His
Uh-huh.
father is brown. Harry is brown and white.
Uh-huh. All right. So now, what do you think?
He
Oh, no, not
loves,
yet, not yet, not yet.
he loves his family.
Oh. All right. So now, what do you think it's all about?
Mm.
Okay, what do you think is all about?
Um,
Okay, what do you think is it all about, baby?
hamster family. Look, it is family. Look,
All right. It's all about the hamster family. So now what is the color of the father? What is the color of the father hamster?
color
Yes, baby.
the hamster.
Of the
Brown.
hamster. Brown. How about the mother?
Wow.
White. All right. Very good, baby. Very good, Bangok. So now let's proceed with the exercise letter D. Look at the titles on page 30 and 31. What do you think are all about? Okay, let's try to check first. Oh, so we have another story. A story about who's in the tree. So teacher is going to play another audio, baby. And I want you to listen carefully, okay?
Okay.
Page 30. Read.
Who's in the tree? Out in the garden, up in the tree, there are 6 red butterflies. Can you see? Out in the garden, up in the tree, there are 5 green lizards. Can you see? Out in the garden, up in the tree, there are 4 brown birds. Can you see? Out in the garden, up in the tree, there are 3 purple cats. Can you see? Out in the garden, up in the tree, there are 2 yellow dogs. Can you see? Now there's a problem. Look at the tree. There are 20 animals. Can you see?
Yes.
Roses are red.
We have roses.
Roses are red. Spiders are black. Don't look now, but there's one on your back.
I like colors. I like blue. I like the sky where birds fly high. I like yellow. I like the sun when we have fun. I like green. I like frogs as still as logs. I like black. I like the dark when foxes bark.
Teacher,
Yes, baby.
I can read again.
Okay, yes,
Who
sure, baby.
in the tree and rose are red and I
Uh-huh.
like color. Okay.
Okay.
Who in the tree?
Mm-hmm.
Out in the gutter. Then out in the garden. Up in the tree. There are 6 red butterflies.
Mm-hmm.
Can you see? Out in the garden. Up in the tree. There's
All right.
leaf.
All right.
There's
Uh-huh.
there are 5
Uh-huh.
green lizards. Can you
Uh-huh.
see? Out in the garden. Up in the tree. There are 4 brown birds. Can you see?
All right.
Out in the garden. Up in the tree. There are
Uh-huh.
3 purple cats. Can you
Mm-hmm.
see?
Okay.
In the garden. Up in the tree.
Uh-huh.
There are 2 yellow ducks. Can you see? Now they are up from black. Look at the tree. There are 20 animals. Can you see?
All right. So now, baby,
Boys are
oh, wait, baby. Let's just continue this one next time, okay? Because teacher is having a class after this and I am a bit late. So let's just continue reading this one next time, okay?
okay.
All right, so for tonight, Bongok, thank you so much for your jolly attitude and super energetic vibe. So thank you so much. Goodbye and see you again next time.
See you
Bye
again
bye.
next
Let's thank
time,
the teacher.
teacher.
Wait. All right, bye, baby. See you again next
Bye bye, teacher.